In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly close and save your PowerPoint presentation, a simple yet crucial step in safeguarding your hard work. Whether you're wrapping up a class project, finalizing a business proposal, or simply making tweaks to a presentation, ensuring that your work is saved correctly is vital. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. You'll typically find this on your computer by navigating to the location where the file is stored or opening it through your recent documents if you've worked on it recently. Once you've got your presentation open, take a moment to review your slides. Make sure everything looks just as you intend before we move on to closing and saving it. Next, head towards the upper left corner of your PowerPoint window and click on the File tab. The File tab, often referred to as the Backstage view, provides access to numerous settings and options, such as saving, opening, printing, and most importantly for us right now, closing your document. After clicking File, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Look for the option labeled Close. Clicking Close will prompt a new window to appear, asking whether you wish to save your changes. This special prompt is PowerPoint's way of ensuring that no work is lost. It serves as a gentle reminder to save any recent modifications you've made. At this point, you'll see a window that reads, "Want to save your changes too?" Here, you'll want to go ahead and click Save. This action commits all the changes you've made to the document, ensuring that the next time you or anyone else opens this presentation, all the changes are intact and accurately recorded. Saving regularly is a good practice in any document work, as it acts like a virtual insurance policy for your creativity and time. Once you've clicked Save, you're all done. Your presentation is safely closed and all your work is preserved. It's really as simple as that, but it's an essential skill to master, offering peace of mind that no hasty exit or computer glitch will cause a loss of your hard work. By following these steps, you ensure that your presentation is ready to impress whenever you need it again. Remember, taking those few extra seconds to carefully close and save your work makes all the difference. Thanks for joining me today to learn this essential skill. Don't forget to save frequently and check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks in PowerPoint and beyond.